mental skills that help you plan and focus and attend to things, remember instructions, to filter distractions, and to juggle multiple tasks. So these are all executive and attention functions that are important in the brain and that are mostly developed within the frontal and parietal lobes. Executive function includes things like working memory, so the ability to hold information and then use it. If you think of like doing 5 times 10 times 11, you'd have to remember each of those things to do that calculation. That's working memory. Inhibitory control, this is a really important frontal lobe function, is the ability to stop those impulses, to resist distractions, and to think before you act. So you could see how those things are not well developed in young children. Cognitive flexibility is another really important, predominantly frontal lobe function, and that's the ability to kind of switch between new rules, adapt, be flexible, approach a problem in different ways. And that you can see could be really difficult in young children when the frontal lobe is not well developed. And you can see this when they are doing something and you have to change and do something new. They struggle to make that switch. They don't like the flexibility of doing one thing and then having to adapt to do another thing. It's actually more physically effortful for their brains. Routines and predictability at this age, as with most ages in childhood, are really important. Constant daily routines, whether that's meal times, bedtimes, routines for getting dressed in the morning, it all helps children feel more secure and make the world a little bit more predictable. So those things are quite comforting to them. And that also helps the development of self regulation and executive functions, because fundamentally, executive functions are about being able to do these multi step operations.